Alright, so you know what? We're going to test the Bluetti app. I just installed it. We can open it. I don't even know if you have to register it or something. We'll do that. Okay, discover brand new storage experience. 2.0, okay. New forum, okay. Device management, okay. You know what? Let's try the offline mode because I don't know how to register for this, but let's do that. Okay. Allow. Offline mode and Bluetooth direct connection feature allow blah 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 even without. Okay. These features do not automatically bind you to. Okay. Okay. Well, maybe we can do that later. Except whatever that means. Now, it's not on, so let's turn it on. It's 98% over here. In fact, we can do it this way. Have a nice big screen here. I can't do dual record front and back. This phone doesn't do that. Alright. Swipe down to refresh. There we go. It's already here. 98%, just like it says over there. So this is interesting. Let's make me smaller. I'm not that important here. All right, and DC is on. So you can actually, let's do the following. So I'm just going to narrate along. We're going to press DC. Okay, and now it's on. Look at that. We're going to press AC, and now it's on. Battery pack. Well, I don't think it has a battery pack. It just has what's inside of it. CO2, I don't know what that means. So it's very simple stuff. I don't know. I mean, we already see this stuff here. Now, hold on. There is if we see right here, there it says eco mode. I know that reading the user manual, you can't really do anything else with that. But let's plug in. I don't have a. Oh boy. We'll plug in a USB-C to the backup phone. And let's see how that works. There we go. 14 watts being drained off of that, so that's good on the DC thing. Okay. I mean, we kind of see that here, so it's not like this is adding more information. All right, standard charging mode. Can we do turbo charging? Is that a thing? Let's see what happens. I'm not sure what turbo charging is. Auto sleep 1 minute. Okay, you know what? Let's do 5 minutes on that. I think that's the thing that goes right. It's the panel that constantly has been turning on and off, or off very quickly. Charging mode turbo. So I don't think that has done anything. So let's just set it back to standard? Oh, when you charge it. Okay. No. I know what's going on. Hold on. Let's plug this in to, you know what, no, that's fine. We'll just clown around here. I don't have a stand for this right now. Doesn't really matter. So, the charging is not that loud. I think that's what it's referring to. Now, it's at 98%, so that kind of, yeah, we probably shouldn't have done this right now, but let's do turbo. So I can hear it's a little louder, but if you go to standard, and if we go to silent, effectively slow down the fan speed and reduce noise. Okay. Now the input is 82 on silent. I'm not sure it's silent, but that's fine. Go to standard. 90. Okay, so I'm seeing it go up to 130. Okay, so hold on. Let's do this. I'll narrate. So this is 136 right now. on standard. Let's go to silent. So it's not going to go as fast, and the input's going to drop. You see here, 82. Oh my goodness, look at that. And we go to turbo, super duper fast. 160. Oh, look at that. So it's like 160, 130, and then right. It's not that much louder. Like, I really can't tell the difference. But this is super fast. Okay? And it's still charging the phone pretty fast right here. You know, the output is still pretty good. Let me see on the Accumeter how fast it's going. It should be, well, it's just loading. So now eco mode, what does that mean? Oh, 14, look at that. Let me check this out. Well, it's actually not that fast for, okay. Well, that's good. It's working. That's all we need to know now. AC Eco. Let's see here. I don't know what that means. I'd rather not do something with the Eco mode. I don't know what that means. AC Eco shutdown. What does that mean? We have no idea what any of this means, and that's fine. We'll have to look at that later because I don't know what that is, so whatever. Well, let's just go back to kind of standard. There we go. And then instead of 166, it's going to go back to 138, and there we go. The fan is on. Alright, so that's settings for us. There we go. Okay. Yeah, grid 138 up there, top right. And 9 watts is going out to the phone we're charging. And there's no production in terms of solar because we haven't bought that yet. So this doesn't really add that much, right? I mean, everything in this screen is, I mean, let's turn the AC off. The AC output, because we're not using the AC output. So that's turned off, and we saw that, and we turn it back on. There you go. So yeah, the only thing here is the wrong way. So if we go to top right settings up top here, we see a couple things here. Yeah, so that's powerlifting. I think it's when you you have some higher wattage application or device. I think that's it, but who knows. You see a little icon for that right up the muscle icon. I don't know if we can be. It's a muscle icon that's there. In fact, now it's off. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, and it's off. So still no idea what that is. Version ARM. I think there's also updates you can do with with this stuff. Output frequency, grid self-adaptation, question mark. The system can charge normally even when the voltage on the is unstable due to, right? Yeah, I don't want to mess with that. Output frequency, I don't know what that is, so I don't want to mess with that. So you can change some of the settings only here. The charging mode is really the main one. Auto sleep. Okay, so that doesn't, right. Was that 5 minutes? Probably 5 minutes. I think that's probably what it was. But you can just always press a button there and it turns it back on. Standard 85. Let's go back to silent. Let's see what happens. You know, it might not be going fast because it's already at like 99%, so I think that might be the issue. So again, we probably should have drained this a little bit, but that's fine. This is all good. So that's basically it. I'll see if the registration does anything, but that's basically it. It's very simple stuff, and that's it.